Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforex.com, making this video as a weekly recap. So let's get started quickly. This is the week started on the 23rd, Monday, 23rd, right? So several trades on that day. So this is the first one, pound Nuzi. This pair moves very big, right? As you know, and I was expecting a big move from the weekly TL. It was dropping, and it did. So 300 pip so far here on this. Entry is here, my sell order here, and SL to move here. This is a 40-minute chart. Why? Because 20-minute chart was just too long, and the entry was not coming into the chart, the picture. So I had to make it a 40-minute. The entry was somewhere here, right? This little wick here, that's a 20-minute entry. So right after this setup, you have a 20-minute entry, and there you go. And this is from 20-minute. This is Euro USD, because the USD weakness. I'll show you why USD was getting weaker this week. And this was for 90 pip. This is pound USD. This thing started to go up on the 23rd, 65 pips, and there are bigger trades down the road. You will see. So Aussie yen, 110 pip on the 23rd. It was just a Monday, that. So small trades, right? 65 pip, 80 pip, just like that. Now Euro Aussie, that's a big one on the 23rd. It dropped big time, 220 pip. This is the entry here. Sell order, SL to move big even. On the 24th, like I said, USD, pound USD was getting very weak, and that was the first trade was like 65 pip. This is another entry. It was going up and then coming down and going up. It's like again 70 more pips. On the USD again, all these USD pairs going up because of the USD weakness. Was a nice entry here, and it went up. Again, pound USD. This is the big one now down the road. I said 25th. On the 25th, it started to pick up. This is why all USD pairs were dropping, because I made this USD index chart, the monthly chart, showing that we're going to stop here because USD was getting strong last week, right? Week before that, and it was up here all the way on 127, broke all the levels so far. So nobody knew where the heck it's going to go. But I said that we're going to come back to this level here, 0698, bypassing 1026, and may get a little bounce and then drop again, and then may drop all the way down to the TL. And this is how we end up the Friday, continue coming down, right there, just above this area now. Right, and soon we're gonna hit that area. Maybe next week. We are sitting currently right here at this level 0776, and maybe go all the way down to the TL. So almost 700-800 pip drop this USDX this week, big time, right? So that's why all these USD pairs, where the USD on the right hand side, you'll see go up. Euro USD, pound USD, Aussie USD, and New USD. USD yen, USD CAD, and USD franc, they will be going down. So this week I didn't open the charts for USD CAD, so you're not gonna see any USD CAD trade, but the others are there. USD, pound, a lot of pound USD. So pound USD again. After that, there's another on the 26th. 25th was just I was most of the time out, so only one trade. And then the 26th comes, and again one more time 230 pip trade for pound USD. And then Euro Aussie again, it went all the way, it dropped, and then it went up all the way to 85.48. And from there, I knew that it's going to drop. So as soon as it started dropping, even though it was not my Magic IB setup, it was just a hint that it's going to drop from 85.48. And I showed it right from there all the way down to 300. Okay, and then on the 26th, this is using Magic IB system, the Magic IB setup by the book. This is the entry. This was the entry. This was all of these were entries. And the first entry is the best one, and usually you get a big trade out of that. I closed too early here. It went up all the way to the upside, but 140 pip. It was dropping here, so I said maybe it's gonna drop. But I close it because you can always get another entry. This system gives you a lot of entries, right? So on the 27th, Aussie USD, you can see 140 pip again. The trade was there and then retraced, going back up here again by the book entry here. It went up. Nowadays, I'm not moving my SL very quickly, so I didn't move. Otherwise, it would be taken out here, and then I had to make another entry right here. So it would be almost the same thing from here or here, right? So, but this entry survived, and the USD here was 140 to the upside, and then pound USD again on the 27th, Friday. This is the one, 220. So it must keep going up, retracing, going up, retracing, going up because of pound strength as well, right? But the USD was the one that was getting weaker very, very fast. So these are 10, 11, 12, I don't know, 13 trades this week, but mostly big one, few trades, but big trades, right? So that's what's happened. And USD index, I just showed you that this was I was expecting, and this is what happened. And so many other indexes as well. But some of my charts, the analysis chart went wrong this week after a long time. Why? Because the market is very unpredictable right now. So you think that it's going to go up, then it just all of a sudden some news come out or something happened without any reason, and just boom, go down, right? So, but that happened. Regardless, the system, the magical system, is that once the volume comes into the market, and then you see that the price is going somewhere in a direction, then you just go, well, that's it. I had a couple of trades still running, like EUR-AUD. There was a trade that I didn't close because it didn't move much. USD yen was going down. I didn't close because it has to go a long way. To me, it has to go a long way, so I'm holding on to it. And let's see if let me see if I can really show you that why I'm in short, but I didn't close it. I left it over the weekend because of the weakness in USD coming big time. And see, this was my trade, my prediction about USD yen when we were here. So I said we're going to go on the TL first, then drop, right? So we did that. Then because of the USD strength, we went all the way up. But now it started to come down again. So we may get my target hit here eventually, and then may go down because this triangle calls for this. Okay, A, the triangle for B, C. And we can get that only because of the yen strength or the USD weakness. And USD weakness already started to happen, and we may go all the way down. And for that reason, I didn't close that. I'll show you on Monday where my USD yen entry is and how it is going. And of course, Euro-Aussie. And maybe there are others, I don't even remember. So this is how it is. And this is a very good time. By the way, just word of advice, and everybody's talking about it anyway, but I'm just gonna say that take this coronavirus thing very, 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 very seriously. And a lot of people say, man, it's why you are so coward in this. No, it's not about cowardness. It is about bravery, because the bravery is that you save your family and you keep your family safe. We man has the duty to save, keep safe our family, wife, kids, right? So we have to take every simple, single, smallest precaution we can have, and use your mask, gloves when you go out. Don't go out if you don't have to. Stay home, and if you go out, one person goes out only for shopping and stuff like that, wearing masks, gloves, and when you come back home, throw the gloves away, and take a shower, wash your clothes immediately, and stuff like that. So it is very, very important. Trust me, it's very important. One little mistake, and your life is in danger. We don't want that, especially our wives and kids, our family, right? So if you bring that virus home, they'll all be in danger. So take very seriously. Okay. So this is it for now, and yeah. So this, because of this coronavirus, we are all sitting home most of the time, right? So I was painting outside my fence 1 o'clock in the morning when my neighbor says, "What the heck you doing?" And I says, well, I'm sick and tired of sitting in front of the charts, in front of the computers, and there's nothing to do, so might as well just paint the damn thing, right? So I'm finding different things around the house and doing it. So if you need to learn Forex, yeah, this is a very good time to learn and, become master of it. And we really need something to make money online, especially, okay, because outside is not safe. So anyway, I wish you all the best and wish you all good luck. And hopefully next week will be the even better as far as the trading is concerned. And so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.